been so long. I didn't post any video because I was not well. Actually, I had fever, the seasonal flu, which is going on over here, and almost everybody is sick. So I was having high temperature and I was very weak. I still am very weak, and I hope I recover soon. So I thought to shoot a video today about Q&As because there were so many questions. So I thought to clear them out and also do a Q&A video along with that. So let's get started. So the first question is, can we apply for visa on the basis of acceptance letter, or we need invitation letter for that? So for applying for the visa, which you need to come to Georgia, you need all the documents from your passport, of course, to your 10th 12th certificates from school, and all the documents needed from the university. I think you do need your invitation letter, because as far as I remember, it's been so long. And the correct information, your agent will be giving you the correct information. They'll give you all the list of the documents which you need, and you have to give them according to that all the documents, and they'll do the process for you. Second question, what is TRC? TRC is the temporary residence card, which you need to apply as soon as you get here. Mostly your agents or the hostel you stay in, the people will help you out in that. They'll take you to the Justice House, which is in Liberty Square, and they'll get all your procedure done there. They'll need your SNOBA, which is a document from the college, and your visa and your everything, your passport will be there, and they'll make it's a long procedure, and it'll take you around 30 to 40 days to get your TRC, your card in your hands. And it's very important for you until you're in Georgia. You have to keep it with you. It will be updated everywhere, to your college, to your bank accounts, everywhere. It's like your Aadhaar card in India. Oh, too much cough. So another question is, how are the classes in Georgia? Like, how do they teach the exams? I have already answered this question in the previous Q&A, but I'll answer it properly again. The classes in Georgia are you have to go every day, Monday to Friday, and they do teach well, and it also depends upon the teacher to teacher. Some teachers are a little carefree, and some teachers are really good at what they do, and they take their job seriously. And the exams are tough. In my university, the exams are really tough. Do you answer question in class every day or only when having test? This depends upon the teacher. 60 marks in my university. I'll tell you again. In my university, there is 40 marks which is given by the teacher, and 60 marks which is consist of 20 marks of the midterm and 40 of the final exams. And in that 40 marks which is given by the teacher can either ask you every day related to the topic that she has taught a day before, or she can do quiz, 2 quiz or maybe 4 quiz, depending upon it all depends upon the teacher actually. So maybe you have to answer every day, maybe not, depends. Next question, what is the duration of the course? The duration of the course is 6 years, not 9 years, as many people were confused about. It's 9 years if you want to work in Georgia, which many people don't. Like they usually, not many, like 99.9% of the people, of course, return back to their home countries and they practice medicine there. Next question: what is the updated flat price in Georgia? Yes, this is a question I get a lot. So the updated price of 1 BHK is around $700. Yes, it's a lot, but it is what it is. $700, and for 2 BHK it is $1,000 to $1,200. It has increased exponentially now. Cadaver dissection. Cadaver dissection is not available here. Laptop or tablets, what is better? Of course, laptop, because you have to make PPT here until, I think, till your 6th year. You have to make PPT in one of the subjects, and you have so many things you can do on the laptop as compared to a tablet. So of course, a laptop any day. Is there any interview you have to go through before applying, before coming here? Yes, you do have an English exam which is conducted by the university itself. I think for us it was by the university, and for me it was like the speaking part. They check your speaking efficiency, how well you speak, and then you have the written part, and also the listening part. So next question: how is the clinical exposure in Georgia? The clinical exposure is lesser if you compare it to India, but you have to also see that the population is also very less, and it is the clinical exposure which you get after 3rd year is enough for you to be a trained medical doctor. But yeah, of course, there is some gap which will be filled when you go to India and do your internship there, and you will understand things better. But do focus very well on your theory part and ace the theory part first, and you can of course talk with your teacher and try to know as much as you want to. What are the apps used for food and cabs in Georgia? So for food you have apps like Glovo, Bolt and Bolt. And for cabs you'll have again Yandex and also Bolt. For food is Bolt Food, and for Yandex for cabs it's just Bolt. So the next question is, what are the subjects in 1st year and what are the best books for them? Okay, so in 1st year, which is divided into 1st semester and 2nd semester, you'll be having some basic subjects, and the main subjects are actually anatomy, physiology, biochemistry, and also histology. So it will be divided into parts 1 and 2 in 1st and 2nd semester, and the basic subjects are there like medical chemistry, medical biology, medical physics, Latin language, English language, Georgian language, basics of research, academic writing, and you have sociology, basic clinical skills. These are the subjects which are basic and you have to do it. And apart from that, again, as I told you, anatomy 1, 2, physiology 1, 2, and you have your histology, general and private histology. Be getting your e-books in your drive by the university. Your teacher will be doing that. They'll be uploading it. For anatomy, BD Chaurasia is a really good book. It is very precise, and even some people prefer Grey's Anatomy. And for you should also have an atlas, which is important in anatomy. So Netter's atlas is very good. And for physiology, you can go for Guyton and Hall textbook. It is really good. And if you want an Indian author, you can go for Dr. A.K. Jain textbook of physiology. And for biochemistry, we studied from Lippincott, and it was really good. And you can also go for Indian author book like Satyanarayan. So these were my suggestions and my answers to your questions. So if you have any other question, please drop them down in the comment box, and I'll be answering them in the next Q&A. Please like, share, subscribe, and see you in another video. Bye.